This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a locking rear differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: heated seats, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, alloy wheels, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, XM satellite radio, and this vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. Not to mention that this Honda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.